In order to receive asylum in the United States, you need to go ahead and apply within 1 year of your entry to the United States. If you go ahead and apply for asylum after the 1 year of entry, you have to have a legal reason as to why you did not apply. So one example would be if you enter the United States as a student and you are here lawfully, then you don't have to abide by the 1 year deadline, as there is no imminent danger of being returned to your home country. However, after that student visa expires, you must apply within a reasonable amount of time. The courts have determined that a reasonable amount of time is about 6 months or less from the time that your status expires. And in order to go ahead and submit evidence that you applied within a reasonable amount of time, you need to justify any sort of delay that occurred. Now, once you adhere to the 1 year deadline or one of the legal exceptions, you must go ahead and demonstrate to the U.S. government that you have a well-founded fear of future persecution, or you have suffered past persecution in your home country. And you have to state what the basis of that persecution was, because there are only 5 reasons that one can apply for asylum. One was persecuted because of their race, because of their ethnicity or nationality, their religion, their political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Anything outside of those 5 fails as far as an asylum claim is concerned. So once you demonstrate that you've suffered persecution or have a well-founded fear of future persecution based upon one of these 5 reasons, you have to go ahead and demonstrate that you can't relocate within your home country. And so if there is a city within your home country in which you may be safe, the U.S. government would require you to relocate, in which case your government from your home country would protect you. That is another requirement, that you demonstrate that your country is either unwilling or unable to protect you from your persecutors. So once you demonstrate these things, whether or not you are granted asylum is dependent upon the adjudicator. So who the adjudicator is depends on whether you are in removal proceedings, so otherwise known as deportation proceedings at the immigration court, or whether you are applying affirmatively, in which you are telling the U.S. government that you are applying for asylum and it is not a defense to removal. Right now, the asylum office is taking many years to go ahead and schedule those asylum interviews. And in the interim, you are authorized to work in the United States.